Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson SV12 model. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum from the power source. Safety is paramount. Next, remove the dust container by pressing the release button. This will give you better access to the internal components. Now, locate the screws that hold the trigger mechanism in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws located at the back of the trigger housing. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find it difficult to reach the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry open any tight spaces. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. You might notice some dust or debris inside the housing. It's a good practice to clean this area with a soft cloth or a small brush to ensure optimal performance. Next, take your replacement trigger and align it with the housing. Push it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Now, take the screws you previously removed and secure the trigger by tightening them with your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this may damage the housing. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. You can also get a quote before any repair work begins. After securing the trigger, reattach the dust container by aligning it with the main body and pressing until you hear a click. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back into the power source, and test the new trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process requiring minimal tools. With just a bit of patience, you can restore your vacuum's functionality. If you have any concerns or wish for a professional to handle the task, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.